First quarter.
Good luck pali, good luck.
Intertown Basketball Girls. El Inyo Tacloban City versus Calbayog City. For the Fiesta Barangay Santo Niño, Kinapundan, Eastern Samar. First quarter. Elimination round. Jumping at the center, number one of El Inyo and number 18 of Calbayog.
Okay, start tayo.
First quarter. Mayano, last touch. Bola ng El Inyo. Number 15 to number 21. Between the legs agad.
Number 7, nakatubos. Number 15.
Number 15.
Nilabas ka number 21.
Fake. Tumira.
Oh,
Bola.
magandang.
Number 1.
Number 1. Wala pa rin. Number 15 naman.
Number 15.
Jersey number 15.
Number 15 na El Inyo. 2 points. First basket.
Number 24. To number 20.
Nice.
Number 10. Water response. Sayang.
Number 7 to number 15. Back to number 7. Tumira.
Almost number 10 again.
Number
Opposite
21.
number 51. Wala pa rin.
Bola ng Calbayog. Calbayog bola.
15 seconds to shoot.
Number 10 to number
Number
28.
28 again.
Short. Number 7 of El Inyo.
Number 7.
To number 21. Nagaw.
There's a foul.
Mayroong pang foul. Tinamaan sa ulo.
Jersey
Bola
number
ng
21.
Calbayog
First
City.
personal foul. First team foul. Ellen. 45 seconds remaining time for
Valdez.
first
Number
quarter.
4 of Calbayog City.
Number 4 to number 2. Oh, mga Tigres.
Mga Tigres, wala.
Rebound na kami number 11. Nasa na kami number 4. Number 10 to number 28. Number 28 first block by jersey number 1. What a nice defense.
Tumira.
Number 24
Wala.
again. Rebound by jersey number 15.
Of Tacloban. Baseball pass na
Number
number 7.
7 back up the ball. Again.
Number 11. Bola ng bola ng El Inyo.
And the play by LNU. Sayang. Number 15 nakakuha ng foul. Jersey number 2 hit. 2 shots sa 1-2. Jersey number 15. Onang tera number 15. Nigel.
Second throw.
Pangalawang tera. Pasok na.
Hit.
Another official running score. 3-0. LNU Tacloban.
May
May
foul.
nakakalaga ng foul.
Number 15.
Remaining time, another first quarter. Happy viewing kan Mr. Tongin. 15 seconds to
3
shoot.
points.
Oh, mga Tigres Nugget. Maubay na aga, sir. Salamat sa inyong pagtambong. 5 minutos, 47. Number 21. Naagawan. Another steal. Vayalan niyo Tacloban. Number 15. Number 7.
Nice pass.
By the captain ball.
Nice pass. Number
Ang gandang
11.
pasa nun. 5 minutos, 25. Number 10. Pass number 24. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 2. Another turnover by Calbayog. 5 minutos, G's. The captain ball. Pass number 21. Inabas ka number 15. Slicing the defense, jersey number 15. Offensive rebound, wala pa rin. Number 1. Nagawan. Jersey number 10. Another turnover. The captain ball, wala pa rin. 4 minutos 45. Number 24.
Tapik. Bola ng Calbayog City.
Calbayog.
Time out Calbayog.
4 minutos 39. Remaining time for the first quarter.
First
Natin
quarter.
official run score. 5 against 0. LNU Tacloban.
5-0. Favor of El Niño Tacloban. Time in. 3
Ang
points.
mga Santres Mayer. Offensive number 2. Fadeaway basket. First basket of Calbayog.
First basket.
By jersey number 2. Taking a play. Pass to number 21. Oh, mga Santres. Walang tinamaan. Agawan ng bola. Naka number 14. Nabitawan. Anal steal. For LNU Tacloban. Number 21. Turnover. Number 4. Valtes. Lopas de Argentina. Turnover. 15 seconds shoot. Substitution. LNU Tacloban. Bulldog. Number 15. To number 7, the captain ball. To number 16. Oh my God, negative. Offensive rebound, jersey number 1. Third foul. Jersey number 7. The official running score 5 against 2. LNU Tacloban 3-point lead.
Nice.
Basket 2 points, jersey number 24.
Go.
Is the number 24. Number 24. Time out. LNU Tacloban. 3 minutos and 1 second remaining time. Not an official running score. Value Pabor, size 5. 1-point lead by Calbayog. Number 16. Number 6. Pass number 1 sa kita. Number 1, balik kay number 6. Basket 2 points.
Nice. 2 points by number 6.
2 minutos 40. Number 4, Nugget.
3
Number
points.
16, oh, mga patres. Ono, 2, 3.
10 to 6.
Dos minutos,
Bola per
15.
Enyo. El Enyo ang lamang. Sipa.
Substitution.
Institution. Calbayog.
Calbayog. 2 minutes and 5. 10 seconds shoot. Oh, mga patres.
3 points.
3 points. Jersey number 4.
Tumama din. Number 6.
Number 6.
Tapik ng number 10. Bola ng El Enyo.
Substitution.
Pumasok na si Abrian. Wearing number 30. Ab El Enyo, Tacloban. From
50
Salcedo,
shoot.
Western Samar. Abrian. Agaw.
1 minuto, 40.
Nice pass.
There's a block by jersey number 1. What a nice block. Number 30, to number 6. Sayang ang lakas ng pasa.
Sa pasa.
9 Cheese, 1-3 by LNU Tacloban.
3
Number
points.
10, Negera.
Nice follow up by number 4. Ab Calbayog City. Number 16 of El Niño Tacloban. To number 6. To number 30. Abrian. Pass to number 30, 15. Wala.
shoot.
Crossover. May foul. 3
3
seconds.
seconds violation per Rodas.
Sayang.
40 segundos. Shoot.
Bola ng El Niño.
What a play by LNU. Basketball jersey number 1.
25 seconds, first quarter.
Valde.
Valdez. Susubok na naman ang Chris.
15.
Wala.
G.
Last 10 seconds.
5.
Time. That's the end of first quarter. Score 12-11 in favor of El Niño Tacloban.